Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes in my sunburned Silverado, like a heartbroken desperado, heading right back to my roots. Something about the way she kissed me tells me she loved Eastern Tennessee. Yeah, but all I brought back with me was some sand in my boots. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blades of Plays Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play Sand in My Boots by Morgan Wallen. If you guys have other song requests you'd like to learn, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions as well, let me know in the comments. So please hit like and subscribe as well, so you can get notified when I come up with new videos. Alright, so this song's super easy to play. You're only going to use 4 chords, 3 of them for like 95% of the song. And it's in standard tuning with the capo on the 3rd fret. Okay, so the chords that you're going to start with, you're going to start with C, okay? Alright, then you're also going to use G. So I recommend using this G, where you're just putting your pinky on the 3rd fret, alright, in relation to the capo on the little E string. I put my ring finger up here on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then you put your middle finger, alright, on the 2nd fret, alright, on the A string. So you do that. So it's just very easy to switch from C to G. Okay, so then you're also going to use F. Now, F is hard for a lot of people because you're supposed to bar the 1st fret, starting on the E string, and then you kind of play it like a power chord. You put your ring finger, okay, on the 3rd fret on the A string, your pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the D string, all right, and then you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string. All right, now if you have a hard time doing that, do what you're supposed to do with these bottom fingers, but just don't bar it with that top one. So you won't play the bottom one, you'll just play the top 4, okay? Now if you're trying to bar it, that's okay too, because it'll just kind of mute the bottom string. So you can do that. All right, now the other chord you're going to use is A minor, okay? But you're not going to use that a ton. In fact, you could probably get through the song without it, but I'm going to show you how to play it with it, okay? So you're going to start the song with C, G, F, C. Okay, so you're just going to do that one time. C, G, F, C. Okay, and you're just going to do those single strums. Now, after you're done with that, what you're going to do is then you're going to start having lyrics, and you're going to go to G. All right, you're going to say G, and then she asked me where I was from. Okay, so you do on she asked. Asked is where you do C. She asked me where I was from. And from is F, so that's an easy way to remember it. From. I said somewhere. Okay, somewhere is G. Somewhere you never been to. Okay, been is C. Been to little town. So town is A minor. And this is exactly how you're supposed to play. You're just doing single strums. Little town is where you do A minor is on town. Town outside of Knoxville. Okay, Knoxville is F. Knoxville, hidden by is G. By some dogwood trees. She tried talking. Okay, so now you're going to C again. She tried talking is C. Talking with my accent. Okay, accent is F. Accent, we held hands. Hands is G. Hands and waded into. Okay, so into is C. That blue water. That blue water. So you're going to do that blue water. Water is A minor. Water, she left her flip-flops. Flip-flops is F, so flip and it starts with F, so that's easy to remember. Flip-flops by my red wings. Okay, red wings is where you're going to do G. Red wings on the beach. Beach is C. Okay, so now here's where the strumming gets a little bit different. And I would only do that single strumming for the intro, the 1st verse, and the bridge, and I'll show you how to play the rest of the song, okay? So now for the chorus, you're going to do, yeah, but now, so you're going to get louder here. Yeah, but now I'm dodging, so notice I'm doing, now I'm dodging potholes in my sunburned Silverado, okay? So what I'm doing here is just adding more strums in, but you're just doing down, down, down. And then when you switch chords, all right, and this is just a good practice for most songs anyway, but you want to switch, when you switch chords, you go, and you kind of do down, up, all right, as you're switching. So, all right, so So you're gonna do, yeah, but now a C. Now I'm dodging potholes in my sun. Okay, so sun is F. Sunburned Silverado. Okay, Silverado is C. Rado, like a heart broke. Okay, so heart broke is F. Heart broke to Desperado. And Desperado is C. Desperado heading right back. Okay, right is G. Right back to my roots. And see, I'm just doing that down, down, down. So you could do that through the whole chorus and just do the down, down, down. Something about. Okay, so about is C. About the way she kissed me, tells me she'd. Okay, she'd is F. She'd love Eastern Tennessee. So notice I'm taking out the alternate strum when you switch chords, and it still sounds great. All right, Eastern Tennessee, yeah, but all is F. All brought back with, okay, with a C. With me was some sand. Sand is G. Sand in my boots. So you could just play it down, 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 down. Okay, so you could just do the down, down, down. I think it sounds better if you add in the. All right, if you add in the little alternate strum when you switch, and it kind of gives it a little bit more pizzazz and stuff to it. It makes you look like a better guitarist. So I think it's better if you do that, but you don't have to. And keep in mind too, when you're playing the verse and the intro, you're gonna do that softer. When you get to the chorus, you're gonna do it louder. Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes in my sunburned Silverado. Okay, you could just do that. If it's louder, it sounds better. It gives more to it. In the second verse, you're actually gonna strum it similarly to the chorus. I would just strum it softer. I said, let's go shoot tequila. Let's go shoot tequila. She walked, so let's see. So we walked back to that beach bar. Okay, so I'm just doing down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, so you're just gonna do that. So the second verse, you're gonna play the chords like the same timing as you did in the first one. You're just gonna add in that that little bit more of drumming, or excuse me, of strumming. Now, if you don't do that, that's okay. You could just do the second verse like you did the first one. It's just not quite how they do it in the album, but people will probably still like it. So then for the break part, you're gonna do A minor, C, okay, then F, then A minor, okay, then you go right into C. And then for the bridge is where you're gonna do, I said meet, okay, meet is C. Meet me in the morning, morning is F, morning. And she told me, okay, told is G. Told me I was crazy, crazy is C. Crazy, yeah, but I is A minor. I still thought that maybe is F. Maybe she'd show up. Okay, up is G, up. Oh, but now, okay, then you're just gonna go into the chorus. All right, so it's a super easy song to play. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, or other songs you want to learn and stuff. And see me next time. Thanks for watching.